I'm sure that, we are aware, all of us are aware that there are thousands, millions of thoughts come across in our mind. We cannot tap every thought, right? But we can definitely check our emotions. So at the end of the day, in the beginning of the day, please do check your emotions, what emotions you are feeling. And another point is how persistent those emotions are. If you are happy, then it's a really good thing. But if it is kind of irritation, frustration, anxiety, having anxious thoughts all the time, and if you are able to see that these things are quite persistent in your mood, keep a check on that. Figure out why. If you are able to do it, that's very good. If you are not able to do it, please go and take a help in this area. There is nothing wrong. If you have fever, if you have cold which is not going it by itself, you go and see the doctor, right? You go and
Yeah.
consult somebody, that you use certain remedies for it. So similarly in this area as well, these smaller issues, if taken care of initially, they can be managed. There are certain things which are quite serious, which are biological or maybe genetical in nature. Genetics can be a cause behind it. So there you need a little bit more, what
Clinical
do we say,
intervention.
consistent, yeah, consistent, as well as clinical, as well as psychological interventions. Yes, definitely. But the point is, you need to check upon it yourself first. And apart from it, once we are aware about it, we are having this habit of checking our own emotions and thoughts, then we can use certain activities which can help it. How? Like regular self care. We are talking about self care so much. So what is self care? If I have to ask this question to you, what do you think, what self care is? Any thoughts?
I would say self care for me is on the daily basis when I'm going to sleep, going to bed before sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Just way of regularizing everything, all the activities, all the emotions which I surpassed in my entire day. I would not be extending it for a week or a month that when I'll be getting time. It's a daily basis habit for me
Mm-hmm.
where as a self-care routine, it's not just my face or body and everything else. That is a part of self-care routine. But other than that, I will keep a check or maybe I will journal something. For me, I
Exactly.
like to write. So for me it's like if I'm going through something, something is going inside me, I will just write it, maybe in a way, in a form of a poem, or maybe just in a form of an article, and it's out of
Really
me.
wonderful. Really